Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to do the settings for the radio. Let me go to the settings and car infotainment. Go down about device and settings 8878, and you're gonna go to radio. These are the settings for the radio for Android type, Android head unit. IC type 57708. Zone is USA 2, it's north. And FM sense 18, AM sense 25, and OSC is going to be 4M. FM sort, it's not frequency, it's SD level. And OT band, no. And then FM band, it's supposed to be FM 1, 2, 3. And MV band, it's gonna be MV 1 and 2. And RDS is gonna be off. You don't need to use AF. And that's it. When you're done with that, just save it and reboot. It's gonna take a while. It's rebooted already. Let me go to the radio. Okay, let me go ahead and search.
Been a work in progress since 1984 here on KBO Community Radio, and we appreciate your contributions during our most recent Winter Place Drive.
Yes, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.